Today we are going to discuss about that gentleman of Rio in Medio. The first meeting between Don Anselmo and John A. Sedillo is going on. He came to his office with his style, with his manners. The discussion was going on about the reign and his family, and John A. Sedillo, or storyteller, gave one informations about his extra land, and his land was extended across the river. He gave informations about that. He was also agreed, and they Americans were tried to give a more money, or they were ready to give a more money for that extra land. But here Don Anselmo was a man of principle. Don Anselmo was a good person, but he was not ready to take extra amount for that the extra land. Once he said that, I have agreed to sell my house and land for $1,200, and that is the price. Once he said to our John A. Sedillo. And now here we concentrate on paragraph number 6. I argued with him, but it was useless. Finally, he signed the deed and took the money, but refused to take more than the amount agreed upon. Then he shook the hands all around, put on his ragged clothes, took his stick, and walked out with the boy behind him. The writer, storyteller, gives informations about how he was, how he had manners. He was a stick up with his own words. So he said that, I argued with him, but it was useless. This line is a very important for RC, reference to context. The line is that, I argued with him, but it was useless. This line is very important for RC. Now we discuss about that. I argued with him, but it was useless. So many questions will set on that the statement or the quotation. The first questions, the word who is a refer to whom? Or who is the speaker, who is the listener? In this line, who is the speaker? Our storyteller, that is John A. Sedillo. Who is the listener? That is our Don Anselmo. The word I is a refer to whom? The word I is a refer to, that is our John A. Sedillo. The word him is a refer to whom? That is our Don Anselmo. It was useless. What was useless? Here, when he told, John A. Sedillo told to that Don Anselmo, his land was a double land, and the Americans were ready to give the extra amount for that extra land, but he was not agreed. Don Anselmo was not agreed to take a extra amount for that extra land. And so here, John A. Sedillo said that it was useless. Why? He was not ready to take an extra amount. I argued with him, but it was useless. Finally, he signed the deed and took the money, but refused to take a more than amount agreed upon. And at last what happened? Yes, he signed the deed. He signed the document of that the transaction of land. Finally, he signed the deed and took a money. He took a money but refused to take more than the amount agreed upon. Means he did not take a extra amount for that extra land. And now here he took only the money but refused to take a more than amount agreed upon. Then he shook hands all around. Again means here this line shows us the manner of Don Anselmo. When he entered into his office, at that time also he bowed to all of them. Now also, while returning to his home, after completing the issue or the subject, that is to sign on the deed, while returning to his home, he shook hands all around. Again he put on his ragged, worn out, outdated the hand gloves, and took his stick and walked out with the boy behind him. And the boy innumerable kin was with him, and they walk towards his the home. And now here we concentrate on the questions answer. Question number 1. In the meeting of the old man and the Americans, they talk about rain and the old man's large family. It was. Means that here the 6 options are given here. You choose the correct options. The question again, I will repeat the same question. In the meeting of the old man and the Americans, they talk about rain and the old man's large family. It was to mock his large family. It was to break the ice. It was a custom of the Americans. It was to make themselves comfortable, or it was to prepare everyone for the main talk, or it was to make everyone know that it had rain in the area. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is that it was to prepare every one of the main talk. And now here it is a correct answer. Now we turn to the question number 2. Why do you think the storyteller spoke Spanish? Why do you think the storyteller spoke the Spanish? I think it is a general questions. There is no reference in our lesson. So the answer of the question is that he wanted Don Anselmo being a Spanish man. And now in his title, means here already we know that Don Anselmo, the word Don is taken from the Spanish language. What is the meaning of Don? Don here, that is the sir. Means the word Don is a respective word. And here, maybe he looked like such a man was a Spanish man. And so he said that, yes, Don Anselmo, he said to the old man. Then next question is that the storyteller offered the old man almost double of what he had quoted earlier, and the why. Same questions. The storyteller offered the old man almost double of what he had quoted earlier, and the why. Because the answer was that, yes, the storyteller found that their land was a double land. Americans were also ready to give money for the extra amount, and so here, yes, they were ready to give the extra amount. Question number 4. What was the reaction of the old man to the storyteller's offer? What was the reaction? Where is the action? There is a reaction. And now here, what was the action? And after that, what was the reaction of the old man? We are going to see. Here's here, what was the reaction of the old man to the storyteller's offer? Now we are concentrated on what was the offer of a storyteller. The offer of a storyteller was to take an extra amount for the land. It was an offer. They were ready to give the amount. But what was the reaction of the old man? The reaction of the old man was like that. He was not ready to take an extra amount or extra land also. He was not ready. And here, once he said that, I have agreed to sell to them, but I did not care to be insulted. According to him, whatever he told about the land, yes, he felt that, yes, it was an insult. It was a insult. Why? Because he was a man of principle. He was a good person, and so that's why. The next question is that, the question number 5, we respect elder in a many ways. It is a general question for you. We respect elders in a many ways. In our culture, Indian culture, yes, we know that we respect to that the elder persons. And so here, the question, it is a general question. We respect the elders in many ways. Different types of the ways already we know that. Examples already, 2 examples already given here. The first A, that is A1, we shake the hands. Yes, it is a sign of the respect. It is a part of the manners. We shake the hands. Second one is that we touch the feet. We touch their feet. It is also the sign of the respect. You can fill up the such a the blanks, 4 blanks. How you give such a respect to the elder persons? You can write yourselves. Now we concentrate on the question number 6. The storyteller respected the old man by dash dash. The storyteller respected the old man by dash dash. Fill in the blank with the appropriate word. The correct answer is that saying a dawn in a Spanish. Saying a dawn in a Spanish. Question number 7. After the findings of the engineer, the offer was a double for that the old man's land. After the findings of the engineer or the surveyor, the offer was a double for that the old man's land. There are the 2 questions, and such the 2 questions are set on that the statement. The question is, did the old man raise the rent? Did the old man raise the rent? No. And the next question, did the storyteller offer more? Yes, storyteller offered more amount for that extra land. Yes, and so there are the 2 questions answered. Now here next question number 8. Match the following, A column and B column. Now we are going to read the name of the person in A column. Number 1, sailor. Number 2, some Americans. And number 3, that is the young dark man or the boy. And beside, now we are going to read people of Spain, follower of the old man, buyers, the storyteller, or that is a Don Anselmo. Yes, now we are going to match the words. Yes, A column with B column. Sailor. Who was the sailor here? That is already we know that who was a land sailor, who was a land buyer. Yes, already we have discussed about that the last periods. And so here the sailor, land sailor, that is a Don Anselmo. Number 2, some Americans. Yes, already given here in a big column, that is the buyers. Means that is land buyers. Who were the land buyers? That is the Americans were land buyers. And number 3, a young dark boy. Who was a young dark boy? He was a follower of the old man. He was a follower of the old man. Yes, it is a question number 8. Now we are going to discuss about that question number 9. Yes, now we are going to discuss about the question number 9. Yes, you see, Don Anselmo took only $1,200 for that the land finally, because Don Anselmo took only $1,200 for the land finally, because there are the 2 options. The first option, the storyteller failed to convince Don Anselmo to take more money than what he had been agreed upon. A. And what about the B? Don Anselmo was a man of principle, which is a correct option for that. The statement is Don Anselmo took only $1,200 for the land finally, because, which is a correct option, A or B? Correct option is B. Don Anselmo was a man of principles. Man of principle. The correct answer was that, or is that. Number 10. What did Don Anselmo do as he left the place with the money? Yes, you go to the parab number 6, we'll get its answer. Parab number 6, we'll get the what did Don Anselmo do as he left the place with the money. Yes, already we know that we discussed about that the parab number 6. Yes, finally he signed the deed and then he took a money. Yes, took a money, but he refused to take more money or extra amount. Yes, than he agreed upon. And after that, while returning to his home, yes, he shook hands of all around and put on his rag gloves and took his stick and walked out with the boy behind him. It's a answer. Yes, and it is a questions and answer. Now we are going to learn. We are going to study about the parab number 7. Parab number 7. A month later, my friends had moved into the Rio and Medio. They had replastered the old house, pruned the trees, patched the paints, and moved in a summer. One day they came back to the office to complain. The children of the village were overrunning their property. They came every day and played under the trees, built little play pens around them, and took a blossom. When they were spoken to, they were only laugh and talk back good naturally in a Spanish. Yes, now here already we know that our lesson is divided into two parts. The first part is the first meeting between Don Anselmo and the John A. Cedillo. Second part is that second meeting between Don Anselmo and the John A. Cedillo. And now we are going to study about the second meeting. Second meeting is going on. Second meeting is between Don Anselmo and that is our John A. Cedillo. And here, and already one thing is mentioned here. Already he signed the deed, signed the document, and after to sign a document, yes, he took a amount and he went to his home. And now here, after that, actually, that is the owner of the land? Yes, Americans were owner of the land according to rules and regulation of a legal procedure. According to rules and regulation of a legal procedure, one who sign on the deed, yes, they became the owner, or buyer became a owner of that the land. And now here, after that, who were the owner of the land? Now here, Americans were owner of that the land. A month later, my friends had moved into the Rio and Medio. And here he said that Americans, what is the relation between the John A. Cedillo and the Americans? They were friends. Americans were friends of John A. Cedillo. And now here, yes, here our storyteller told that a month later, after some months, yes, his friend moved to that is our Rio and Medio. Why? Because they were owner of that the land. And so here they moved to that the Rio and Medio. They had replastered the old house. Okay, no problem. Yes, they turned to that. They moved towards that is Rio and Medio, and yes, and then they had replastered the old house. Then the year pruned the trees, means to cut the trees. Yes, the pruned the trees. The patch the fence. Yes, the patch repaired the fence, patch the fence, and moved in a summer. Yes, and moved in a summer year. One day, what happened? One day they came back to the office to complain. And what happened? Yes, the year Americans came with a complaint to his office. Yes, the year whose office? John A. Cedillo. Why he came towards the John A. Cedillo? Because he was a middleman between buyer and seller. And so that's why, yes, the Americans came towards that is John A. Cedillo's the public office. And now here, one day they came back to the office with complaint. What was the complaint? Yes, the complaint was that, you see, the children of the village were overrunning their property, and the complaint was like that. The last one questions on it. What was the complaint? Yes, about that the children of Rio and Medio, or what was the complaint? They came with miss, what was the complaint of that the children of Rio and Medio? They will ask one questions on it. One day they came back to the office, yes, to come with complaint. The complaint was that children of the village were overrunning their property. Yes, they were playing on the property. Yes, as regular as they did not know who were the owner of the land. And so, yes, the children of Rio and Medio, as regular as they came and they were played on the place. Yes, the year the children of the village were overrunning their property, they came every day. They means who? Children of Rio and Medio came every day and played under the trees. Played under the trees and built little play fences. Little fence means like the kumpan, we say that play fence. Yes, built the little play fences around them and took a blossom. Yes, took the blossom. Already given here. Blossom means flowers. Yes, flowers on that is a tree, and took a blossom. When they were spoken to, they means who? Americans. When Americans were spoken to the children, they only laugh. They means who? Children of Rio and Medio. Yes, they only laugh. They only laugh and talk back good naturally in Spanish. Yes, they talk back good naturally, not bad naturally. Yes, not bad. Yes, that is a. But here in a means here they laugh and talk back good naturally in a Spanish. Means they were also children were also good children. Yes, means they came with the complaint. And after that, yes, the John A. Cedillo sent a messenger to the Don Anselmo, yes, to call to his office. And now here everything which is mentioned in a paragraph number 8. I sent the messenger up to the mountains for Don Anselmo. I took a week to arrange another meeting. When he arrived, he repeated his previous preliminary performance. He wore the same faded cutaway, carried the same stick, and was accompanied by the boy again. He shook hands all around, sat down with the boy behind his chair. He talked about the weather. Finally, I broached the subject. Don Anselmo, about the ranch you sold to these people. They are good people and wanted to be your good neighbors always. When you sold to them, you signed a document or deed, and in that the deed you agreed to several things. One thing was that they were to have a complete possession of the property. Now, Don Anselmo, it seems that every day the children of the village overrun the orchard and spend most of their time there. We would like to know if you, as the most respected man in the village, could not stop them from doing so in order that these people might enjoy their new home more in a peace. Everything he told. John A. Cedillo told everything about that the conditions, about that everything which is about that complaint. Yes, to that our Don Anselmo. I send the messenger up to the mountains for Don Anselmo. Yes, I send. The word I is a refer to whom? Yes, that is our John A. Cedillo. John A. Cedillo sent a messenger up for the mountains. Yes, for Don Anselmo. It took a week to arrange another meeting. Means already in the first meeting also he was unhurried. Again here he was also unhurried. And now here it took the week to arrange another meeting. When Don Anselmo arrived there, he repeated the previous preliminaries of performance. He repeated about that means discussion or everything. Discussion was going on. Or that is a manners like that. Yes, everything. When he arrived, he repeated his previous preliminary performance. He wore the same faded coat away. Yes, it was a regular the coat. It was a regular that is the dress. Yes, everything regular. Yes, he wore the same faded cutaway. He carried the same stick, or not umbrella sticks. Already we know that. He wore the same faded cutaway. He carried the same stick and was accompanied by the boy again. And now wherever he went, Don Anselmo went. Yes, the boy was always with him. Yes, and so now also boy was followed him here. He shook hands all around. Again the year. Yes, the first time also, in first meeting also, he bowed to all of them. Yes, again he came here. He shook the hands all around. Means it is a sign of the respect. Already we know that. And now here, he shook the hands all around, sat down with a boy, yes, behind his chair, and the boy was always standing behind his chair. Yes, he was always like a guard or like a supporter like that, and he was standing, yes, behind his chair. Yes, I was accompanied by the boy again. He shook hands all around. He sat down with the boy, yes, behind his chair, and talked about the weather. How man like that? Yes. Last time also they talk about that in first meeting, talk about that the rain and his family. Again in the second meeting, yes, again the discussion was going on, and discussion was about the weather or the climate. Yes, again the year. After that, or finally I broached the subject. Means I turned to that the main subject. What was the main subject? Yes, the main subject was that about complaint. Why? Already we know that they came to the Americans came towards the John A. Sedillo with the complaint, and now he turned to that the particular subject. The subject was that is a complaint. I broached the subject, and again here he said that, Don Anselmo, about the ranch. Ranch means very large farm, orchard like that. Yes, about the ranch you sold to these people. Yes, already you know that. Yes, you sold all the land to these people, or ranch or orchard. Yes, everything you sold to these people. They are very good. They are good people. Yes, they are good people. Yes, the Americans were good. Bunagent. Yes, Spanish word, bunagent. They were good people and want to be your good neighbors always. Okay, no problem. Yes, they were ready to become a good neighbors always. When you sold to them, you sign a document or deed. Yes, and in that the deed you agreed to several things. It means here on any land, yes, one who buy such the land, everything on the land. Yes, he was the owner of the land. Yes, now here he tried to give the information about the legal procedure. Yes, what was the legal procedure? What was the conditions? Yes, everything he told in a legal language. Yes, in a legal language. Yes, they are good people and want to be your good neighbors always. When you sold to them, you sign a deed or document. In that the deed, you agreed to several things. One thing was that they were to have a complete possession of the property. Yes, they wanted that is a complete possession of the property. Yes. Now, Don Anselmo, it seems that every day, now he tried to focus on the complaint. Yes, turn to the complaint. Don Anselmo, it seems that every day children of our village overrun the orchard. They were playing on the orchard. Every day. Not 1 day, 2 days. Every day, yes, the children were overrunning on the property, on the orchard, and spend most of their time there. We would like to know if you, as the most respected man in the village, and here he gave another information, yes, about that is Don Anselmo. He said that you are a respected person in your village. You are a man of principle, you are a respected person in your village. Could not stop them from doing. Yes, so in order that these people might enjoy the new home, yes, more in the inner space, means here he tried to convince to him to stop to the children to play on the orchard. Yes, he said that. Yes, could not stop them from the doing so in order to that these people might enjoy the new home. Yes, the more inner peace, means now they became the owner of that land, owner of that orchard, owner of that house, and now here they were enjoying. Yes, they were try to enjoy. Yes, the new home, inner peace. He said that. Yes, everything he told to our Don Anselmo. Now we concentrate on the paragraph number 9. Don Anselmo stood up. We have all learned to love these people, he said, because they are good people and good neighbors. I sold them, yes, my property because I knew they were good people, but I did not sell them the trees and the orchard. Yes. What was the reply of Don Anselmo is a very important. Yes. Don Anselmo stood up and he told. What he told? Yes. We have all learned to love these people. Okay, no problem. Yes, we have all learned to love these people, to love these Americans. Yes, they were good persons. They were born again. Yes, they wanted to, yes, to be a good neighbors. Yes. Yes, we have all learned to love these Americans. He said that because they are good people and they are good neighbors. And then I sold them my property. He was admitted that. Yes, he was admitted that. Yes, I sold his property. Yes, because I knew they were good people. Yes, I sold my property. Why? Because they were the good person, good people. But very dangerous. Yes, that is a but. But I did not sell them the trees in the orchard. And he said that I sold my entire land, 8-acre land, or more extra land also. But yes, I did not sell them the trees in the orchard. It was the opinion of Don Anselmo. But according to legal procedure, we know that yes, one who take the entire land means on that the entire land. Yes, the many things, trees or the others, yes, trees or the soil also, everything was belonging to that the particular buyer. And so here, but what was the opinion of Don Anselmo? Yes, why? Because he loved to that the children, he loved to the descendants, he loved to that the ancestors, everything. Yes, he loved, and so he said that I sold my land, but I did not sell the entire all the trees in the orchard. We'll see afterwards.